Jopuonj mag Kupeto bagoromo mamoko Msuma kod Lamu ne Albert Ojwang tok tho mare lweto bila. Jokanyo mane ochokore apise Kupeto sundo mondo kang' mar chik okawne bila duto mitudo kod nek mare. Jopuonj go yango Albert kaka japuonj mane tije kendo ne jiwo ngima jopuonjre nyaka jopuonj wetene. Gikuyo kod anyuola mar Albert magiwacho ni kale lit miwuoro kuom lalo nyathigi achiel kende. Jagoro maduong' ma Kupeto kelo Misori kod jotend Kupeto mamoko kaka Mombasa kwa nonro omany jodito mag obila mitiyo gi nekno ma ok jomatindo mosemaki nyaka sani mondo adiera mar tho mare ong'ere.
We are saying that we are feeling distraught given that this was our young teacher. The person was going to be the future. We feel with the parents who say it was the honest son. But we are saying that we know what Albert was doing was correct. He was only standing for social justice. But through his death, we are strengthened.
Mwalimu Albert Ojwang was not just a teacher, but a comrade, a mentor, a symbol of what we young teachers are capable of, not just teaching in the class, but standing for social justice. We stand for democracy, accountability, and economic growth of our country. Our comrade was a son, a father, a brother, and light to many young lives in this country.
The brutal killing of yet another innocent young Kenyan has shaken the country. As a union, we recognize the pain, the fear, the anger, and the despair that many Kenyans are feeling right now.
Hawa ambao wameshikwa ni wale tunaita small fish. Badala ya kushika OCS wa station ambaye aliamshwa pengine akakuja tu kupata mtu ambaye hali yake si nzuri, akalazimishwa kumweka pale, sisi hatujui. Ni kwanza mungeshika walomtoa nyumbani akiwa hai. Hao ndio watu wa kushikwa na watuambie walimpeleka wapi. Mtu wa pili wa kushika ni yule ambaye alikuja kuharibu ile CCTV. Hao ndio watu tunataka washikwe.